What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tyson, All Pro Wraps and Graphics. Today we're going to be reviewing one of my favorite tools, the Wrap-U-eZee, or the Wrap-U-eZee, however you say it. It's by yellowtools.com, and this is going to be used for our mirrors today. Let's go check it out. So setup is super easy using the Wrap-U-eZee. So we're just going to cut out a piece of vinyl similar to the shape of our tool. All right, so we got our tool, we got our piece of vinyl we're going to use. All we do, peel the backing off, center our piece right on the tool, just press down a couple places, and then we're going to take our squeegee, turn it over, and we're going to squeegee out all the edges. That way, when we go to wrap our mirror, it doesn't come off our tool in the process. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching our video.